Whoever's missing underwear in Utah, sorry.
RVers.
Well, you kind of got to be ingenuitative on the road.
Yes. I do declare that I believe that might have been a homemade outdoor sink table. Now, it may be on the market and I just have never seen it, but that was nifty.
We are in Lake Corpus Christi State Park. It's about 35, 40 miles from the actual city of Corpus Christi.
It's not the country.
Yeah, it's out way out in the country. It's in Mathis, Texas. It's a beautiful state park, and we never know a lot of times when we book a state park what it's going to be like. But it's gorgeous down here. One, again, it's Texas, but two, it's just a beautiful state park. The deer are everywhere, and it's like they know they're not going to be hunted here, so this is where they hang out. The other day, Ad and I were kind of scoping out the park, and we saw like 2 deer that I got a really pretty picture of, and then we're driving back and we look in this meadow, which is right next to where the RVs are all at, and there were like 10 doe all standing in this grassy area, just munching away at the grass. And then out of nowhere comes this big buck, comes grunting out of the forest. I'm thinking that was his little group of friends, if you know what I mean. And he would grunt, they would move. He'd grunt again, they'd stop, and they'd start eating, and he lowered his head real low and was like, oh. And they all took off running. So evidently dinner time was over, he was happy, and it was ready to go on and do other things, as deer do. And there's coyotes out here, we've heard them at night. It's a huge lake, and one thing that I'm really excited about is that in Texas, if you are in a state park and you're fishing off the bank or off of a pier at a state park, you don't need a fishing license in Texas. So Miss Ad and I took advantage of that the other night and caught absolutely nothing. We got a few bites. They stole the bait, but we're going to try again.
You caught some good memories.
Yeah, we did. We got to hang out. It was still in the 70s then when we went.
Tried pulling fast ones on each other.
Yeah, we were kind of pranking each other and just having a good time, and it was good quality time fishing with my kids. So I think we're gonna get ready and do that again here either today or tomorrow.
I think it's gorgeous. I think it's just what we needed. We needed a moment to catch our breath and kind of catch up on some tapings and catch up on some work. And so we've been enjoying that. Now we're getting ready to adventure around here and do some location taping.
I don't know if y'all know this or not, but everything's bigger in Texas, including the rain, and it didn't stop for like 24 hours.
Yeah, well, we had a couple rainy days. We had a pretty day or two when we first got here, but we were trying to get out from under all the work that we had been piling up with our family emergency and all that kind of stuff that was going on. And so we had all that going on.
That should put my seatbelt on.
Then it rained, and so that gave us the perfect opportunity to catch up on more work and also tape some cooking videos. But it's just been an amazing thing. I think we're really enjoying so far our decision to kind of shift to the state park mode, at least for the most part, where we're going to stay and those kinds of places. It's just kind of the right feel. I can remember one of the nights when we first got here, we had all the windows open and you could hear the crickets singing, and we were catching up on work, and it felt like home. It felt like what we really enjoy doing. So we're really excited.
Felt like Texas. There's just something about Texas that I could stay in Texas and be okay. We're gonna move on. We've got other places, we got other states, we got people to see, we got places to film, but
they already know you love Texas, so let's go show them Texas. Here we go.
Check this out. So me and Miss Ad found out earlier this week that down here at Lake Corpus Christi, you don't need a fishing license. If you are on a state park property and you're fishing off the bank or off of a pier like we are, attached to the bank, then you don't have to have a fishing license. So yesterday we went to the store and we picked up a couple poles because we didn't think we were gonna do any fishing on any of this adventure we're doing. So as you can see, Miss Ad is hard at work fishing, playing on her phone. And I'm standing here, well, talking to y'all and watching my pole because we were told that last week some guy drug out a 76-pound flathead catfish out of the same spot that I'm standing. I think it would be really cool if I could finally show y'all that we actually do catch fish around here, bigger than our thumbs. All right, so I don't know if Addie's got a snag or she's got a fish. Is it fighting?
Kind of. I don't know.
Keep reeling. Is it? I think you snagged it on something. I think you just... I was all excited there for a minute. So we've been out here about 45 minutes or so when the sun's starting to really go down. It's getting dark. And this is the time, I feel like this is when the fish are gonna bite. There's a couple guys on the other end of the pier just lost a fish and that took his pole under. So that's got us excited. Here's hoping. We got one? It took it under, whatever it was.
You know, if I reeled it in sooner, I wouldn't have lost it.
This could be it. This could be it. Okay, maybe. We got one?
No, but I lost my one.
Luck's not running too good right now.
Alright, we think we got one.
She went down pretty hard there for a minute. They tore into my worm, but they let me keep the bait, so I'll try casting again. Addie?
Yeah?
Hand me the camera, your bobber just went under. Jerk it hard, jerk it, up in the air. There you go.
Oh,
You got it?
it's something.
Keep reeling. Keep reeling. It spit it out. You still got your worm on there. Alright, toss her back in. Try it again. Good cast. Reel it in. Well, we've been here for 2 hours. We've got 4 serious bites and not a fish to show. So Miss Ad's starting to get cold. Well, I think we both need to use the bathroom. And, well, frankly, I think Mama's got dinner ready. So, well, at least I hope she wasn't planning on fish.
I always have a plan B for dinner when they go fishing.
Out on the pier,
Yes.
little fly around the lake,
Yes.
and now I think we're gonna go back and grab something to eat.
Yes.
And then I gotta go do laundry.
Yes.
So somebody wants clean underwear. I don't know why. Hopefully it's yours when I bring it back.
This time.
I can't remember if I said anything before or not, but we were in Utah and I went and did laundry and I pulled stuff out of the washer and put it in the dryer, dried it, folded it up, brought it back. Had 2 pairs of underwear in there that was nobody's from our trailer. So
Like
whoever's missing underwear in Utah, sorry.
That's actually something that I said to Mom, like whenever we have a neighbor and then the next day they're not there, I just say it's because they don't want Dad stealing their underwear.
So anyway, if you like what you're seeing here, then if you would, give us a thumbs up. Promise I won't steal your underwear, or at least try not to anyway. Also, if you haven't become a member of the Crock Posse, what is the Crock Posse, Cris?
Our slow cooking RV family.
Texas loving family. And all you got to do is click the little subscribe button down below, and automatically you're a member of the Crock Posse. And if you would, that little bell next to the subscribe button, what do we call that, Ad?
The ding-a-ling.
That's right, click the ding-a-ling and it'll let you know as soon as we put up a new video. We put them up quite often. And whatever you do, laugh often.
And speak life.
See y'all. Bye. If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon link below.